This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so today we have no HLD review, but I do want to take some time, maybe not 1 hour, several minutes, to go through the house cleaning task. So we still have, this page lists all the features committed in the 2022 May release. But for some features, we still do not have the HLD review time. That part we still need some help from the community or the feature owner to tell, when the HLD can be ready. So let's see. Host. Remember, this one has been reviewed. So is anyone from NVIDIA? Can we have some input for those HLD? Is Leah in?
So this is Sudarshan, Young Java.
Hey.
This is an enhancement, so it doesn't require HLD. So for which one are you talking about? Q statistics, right?
Correct. This one.
Okay, I'm not sure. So I thought you were talking about the third item.
Third.
Show Mac. No, I mean below that there was one in green, right? So I thought you were talking about that.
Oh, okay.
So for this, yeah, Vladimir, do you have info?
No, unfortunately, I don't know as well for this one.
Okay, maybe so far we can mark it as a TBD, and later we can check. So I think
but I believe we can check internally. It's Q statistic based on Q. Yeah, we will check.
Okay, thank you. Next. This one is cut, so the ACLUDF. I will send out this whole list later. So this one. Is anyone from the Edge call? I think there is some discussion. We want to merge these two features into one. So is anyone from the Edge call side? Okay, no. Let me skip. Call, no. How about this one? Oh, it's also from Edge call. Okay. We follow up offline with them. This one, I think the meta switch features will be cut. Okay. Target feature NA, okay, TBD. Oh, the last one, okay. So I want to spend some time for the last one. So this item is migrated the Docker image to the bullseye version. So far, we still have some Docker has no owner, so we still need help from the community to finish the migration in with the 2022 May release. So for this one, so Adam, can we assign this to Broadcom? I think you guys are working on the FRR. Is this okay?
Yeah, let me talk to the team.
Okay, then I will put Broadcom. The next one, anyone can help on this migration, LDP. Is anyone from LinkedIn or? can help. Okay. Docker maxsec. Who can help on this migration? I mean the name at the bottom. This is the the owner who will do the migration.
Yeah, I can ask I can say MSFT. Yeah.
Okay. Max. Anyone can help on this one?
I think probably MSFT as well.
Okay, agent. Okay, agent is super critical. Who wants to do the migration? If no, we keep this one. We leave now. Router, what hider? Anyone? Okay. Flow. SNMP. Okay. Management framework. No. Team D.
Well, management probably should be Broadcom or Dell.
I see someone from Dell joined this meeting. Is that okay for Dell to Owen? Or is Teddy? Hello? Or Jeff? Okay. I think Jeff from Dell. Is anyone from Dell can comment whether you guys can take this item, the management framework?
And probably Explore as well. Yeah. So yeah.
Sorry, I think I didn't get your message.
I think Explore should probably be Dell as well.
I'll talk to Jeff, the project manager. So I have to check with the team. Probably I'll forward the meeting minutes to them. I just joined.
Okay. The team D. Anyone can help on this Docker?
Yeah. Maybe let's ask NVIDIA.
Sudarshan?
So I will check internally and get back on this, Yang Zhao and Gohan.
Okay. I will mark you with the question mark. Next one is Credo. What is one? DBCD.
Telemetry can also be Dell. Maybe ask someone at Dell.
Which one? Are you talking about this? Oh, sorry, this one. So Credo, this a label. It's
We should talk to Arista or yeah.
I mean, this one owned by Arista. Is there anyone from Arista in this meeting?
I think we can talk to them offline. Yeah.
Okay. RESTful API.
That's probably FMCT.
Okay. PDE.
PD should be Broadcom, right? Yeah.
Okay, I think we still have LLDP, SNMP advertiser left.
I remember for LGP, I remember NVIDIA, did some work on that. Yeah, so.
Okay, we had a question mark. You guys can double confirm.
Mm-hmm.
How about the okay, didn't.
Mm. Oh yeah. So there will be a lot of different SyncD, right? So do we have that? There's
We only have one SyncD, I think.
No, I think we should have
two, sorry.
a SyncD for each platform, like Broadcom and Intel. Or...
Only two SyncD on this list. One is a general SyncD, and another one is a GB SyncD. So
yeah, I think in that SyncD, I think that there will be each platform will have its own SyncD. Probably, everyone like NVIDIA and Broadcom and Intel. I mean, whoever have a platform supported by Sonic should have. It should be, each vendor will be responsible for upgrading their SyncD to full side. Yeah.
Okay. So far, we still have several items open. I think the last reminder is, this list is still, I guess, from the current situation, it's a little bit risky to be finished by the end of this May. So that means we may start to think about, which one can be definitely included or delivered in the within the timeline, and which one may be delayed. I mean, there is no need to make the decision in this meeting, but I think we should start the evaluation now. So we basically are short of the time. So okay, that's another thing I want to remind you guys. The last one is, for the no HLD features, we still need a tracking PR to track the code PR. Okay. The best practice is like, I think we already have a template, so we should follow that template. I will send out, I will remind you guys, after this meeting, I will send out the meeting notes. So let's create a tracking PR for each feature. So the goal is, each feature should at least have one tracking PR. That's the goal. Someone already used the HLD PR as a tracking PR, but some need to be the tracking PR. This column should be actually the tracking PR or HLD PR.
So I saw the number 5. There's a PMO. Do we have that PMO in the tracking list in the previous day? I didn't remember I saw the PMO Docker.
PMO Docker, let me see. Maybe I think V and PMO do W. Oh, this one is owned by NVIDIA.
Okay.
So for PMON, we can validate our platform related APIs, but it's in general, right? If other vendors have their platform implementation too, then if it is not upgraded, then it might be a problem. So it might be like a per vendor effort for PMON.
All right, let me add
Yeah, I guess what you're saying that NVIDIA will do the upgrade, but it's for other vendors. I think they need to validate themselves, right? So you cannot validate for those vendors. I feel so. Yeah, it's not possible for you guys to validate for other vendors.
Correct.
Okay, I think that's all that I want to go through with you guys. Anything else? Okay, if no, I think I will return 40 minutes back. See you next time. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.